Hello everyone, welcome back to our auto accounting series. In this video, I am going to talk about the next type of the reconciling model, which is button to generate counterpart entry. In our previous two videos, we discussed rule to match invoice bills and rule to suggest counterpart entry. But in this video, we will discuss button to generate counterpart entry, which is the third type in Odoo reconciling model and in Odoo accounting module. So moving with the button to generate counterpart entry, I will create a new model and I will also test this model with an example so you guys can get a proper idea how this button to generate counterpart entry type works in auto accounting module. So I will click on new. In new, for example, I name it discount and I want that for example the customer, I want to give discount on customer invoices, and each time I want to pass a manual entry for the discount button to generate counterpart entry. So this is discount button to generate counterpart entry. In this, I'll select the type, and to check, if you want to set to check transaction, so I will also show how this feature work in our reconciliation models. So I enable this to check, and counterpart entry. Basically, this is a journal entry, our customer invoice, our vendor bills. How you want to do this? I want to do as a journal entry. If you select a customer invoice here, so this is basically for to create a customer invoice. For example, you find a transaction from your bank account which have no record into your accounting system. So against that transaction you can create an invoice into your system, or you can create a bill into system. So these are two other types. So for the journal entry, so like if there is an invoice and want to give a discount to our customer, for example the invoice balance was $1,000 and customer paid us $900 and $100 was the discount. So I can create a journal entry of $100 of discount into our system. So the next thing is journal availability. So yes, I want to apply this into my bank journal. And the next part is counterpart items. So where you want to do these counterpart items, like when what chart of account you want to do. I say this is the discount one. So discount loss. So 100% will go into that chart of account. So I will save this. Reconciling model is already available with this name. I will save this and I go into the customer invoices for the testing purpose. Now that model is activated. So now I will create a new invoice with the name customer deco date, and I say that we sell this pen 100 pen to him, and we receive 100 pen 1000 pen to him, and we receive $1,380 from this customer. I will confirm this invoice, pay this invoice, and I say uh, I say that 1,380 we received in our bank account. But when we will look into our into bank journal, into bank reconciling screen, sorry. So we see that the amount which the transaction which we received from our bank, they are saying that we only received $1,280. So what I will do here, I will select the deposit, and this is basically invoice number, and I'll pass memo here, partner deposit, and $1,280 we received from the customer. This is our bank statement is showing us, but the payment which we registered into our accounting system, we say that we received $1,380, but in our bank transaction it is showing that we only received $1,280 and $100 we gave discount to our customer. So I'll click add and close. I will click on this, and you see system is showing that we have to outstanding receipt was $1,380, but we only received $1,280 against it. So I will click on this and I will click on manual operation, and I'll say that this is $1,380 And this is our basically discount test. This is our discount test. So now you can see this $100 will go into our cash discount loss chart of account, which I selected in our reconciling model. When I look into my reconciling model discount test, I say whenever I give discount to our customer, so this chart of account should register those transactions. So this $100 is going to cash discount loss, and when I will validate this one, you can see to check the configuration which we are using here to check. It means it created a tag on that transaction that for our other accounting team to cross check this transaction. Maybe there could be an issue with the transaction. So this is basically a tag which you can set on your transaction if you want to cross check those transactions again into your accounting system. Now if we move into our customer invoices, in our customer invoices you say this is fully paid, this amount is fully paid, nothing is on our on balance side. So this invoice is totally paid $380. And why, when I look into our chart of account in our reporting in general ledger, and I search for the loss account, cash discount loss account, and you can see that those $100 transaction is reported into our cash discount loss account. So this is how you can create a, yeah, you can create a reconciling model with the button, basically button to generate counterpart entry. When you create a button to generate counterpart entry, it will create a button into your reconciling screen. And if you want to adjust your balance, your or you can simply click on your button, and system will automatically send the extra balance, extra transaction into your defined chart of accounts which you define at the time of building your creating your reconciliation model. So like here, the $100 is gone to our cash discount loss while clicking on discount test button, which is basically a manual counterpart entry through this button. So I hope I clear the concept of how you can create button with the button with counterpart entry, and how you can use into your auto accounting module. So if you like this video, please like and share with your other friends who are learning auto. Keep learning, keep growing, and stay tuned for my next videos. Thank you for your time. Have a good one. Bye.